Is it the enlightenment that Sagittarius brings? I just focused on the birds and the blossom, the falling petal. It changes back. And I'm watching this change, this cultivation, pass over the same space multiple times. This is a cultivation that has been happening. It's been something that has been worked on. And it's a turning. It's a release. 11:11, as I just looked up. It's a spark. Initiation. Whenever I think of 11:11, what is that really to for? That's stability. For me, if I think about personal interpretation of that, 11:11 turning into the 4, and I just thought about 9, it's a completion of needing stability outside of me. And thinking without that, there is no foundation. We're taught about a hierarchy of needs in this society. The triangle being this way. Ooh, 3 points. Oh, I love the triangles. With that base, this being the stability, the foundation, and needing that stability in the base in order to achieve anything else. But what I'm starting to learn, this is not the only triangle. As above, so below. So what does that mean? In a visual representation, it means this triangle exists here, but it also exists like this. Did that just blow you? That blew me in a good way. The stability comes from the top and mirrors the stability to the base. What's filling up into the top is what's represented into the base. I've always had a very strong crown, very open, very receptive. And that vision was limited, a little blocked. She ain't blocked no more, okay? We are fully open, fully aware. I'm self-aware now. I'm amazing. Do I know that? Yeah, I know that about me. Claim that. Ego likes that. Ego protects me in that way. And me thinking I'm the dopest in my life takes nothing away from anyone else being the dopest in theirs. We're not comparing. We're not racing together. I'm playing my own game. You're playing yours. Peace settled during that while. 14:22. Freedom. Safety. Build. 9 complete. And back to that triangle. That triangle. That saying, as above, so below, is pouring, reflecting, And that middle space that sits between this part of the triangle and this part, this space, that mustard seed of faith. That's all it takes to make what you are given into your reality. Chasing the safety in the 3D didn't work for me in the same way that I thought it would. Thought being the key. But you think what you know. That one felt wild. You think what you know. So you should know what you think. You're dropping bars. You're dropping bars to me, okay? Know what you think. Know what you receive. For it showcases what you think and what you receive. Focus is kind of wild. In that moment of just letting go and just existing, my focus was pulled by so many things. It only takes a second to put focus on something. It doesn't have to be hard. It's easy. It's easy. Saturn likes focus. For me, time is focus. It's effort. It's not work. Some people it's work. I don't like that word. We broke up. I'll use it sometimes, but it doesn't serve me in the same way that I have to always transmute through it because it has so much energy already on it. But I like effort. Effort. Feels like abundance. Effort. Wah. Sounds like a whip. Whack. 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 Do you remember in The Wiz, Eveline, she had her whip, and when people weren't doing what she wanted them to do, she'd be like, whack, psh, whack, psh. Every time I hear that word used, I'm just like, hit with the whip. But don't bring me no bad news, okay? Eveline was on it with that. But that work, I don't like that word. That, throw it up. You can definitely take words and transmute it and use it for something else if that's what you believe and you have the strength and the power within you to make that yours. Do you. You're that powerful. But for me, I don't waste my energy on that. Not for work. Not for work. But I like to play. And it's always funny. Maybe that's why I have such a repulsion to work. Because play is my primary, and so many people have always pushed the energy of work first, play later. When I live and feel the energy of play always, work never, effort. Because it takes effort to play. It can be effortless if you want to get there in that way. But you're still moving. You're still doing something when you play. The same way you're still moving and doing something when you work. It's just on two opposite sides of the spectrum. Working and focusing on work is going to serve some souls so well, okay? So well it's going to serve. And playing and focusing on play is going to serve some souls so well. Both exist. Neither is right nor wrong. They just exist. And you have to align with your truth.